my first time. A rainy days, beach
Ayan
day,
sila, nagliligo.
cloudy, sometimes raining, sometimes windy, strong waves. It's very nice. It's beautiful, very quiet, but it's raining, always raining. Now it's stopped the rain. But after 3 hours, rain is coming back. Oh, Valeria. She loves the sea.
Wala na, dapat may swimming pool na kayo
She
doon.
likes on the beach.
Pangasyas na. Sige, hayaan mo lang siya. Diyos ko.
It's me, Pilinggera. I'm scared to touch the water because I don't like the water. But then after that, the waves coming, so I get wet. See the view? That's so nice.
Video mo akong gamot.
This place
Lalakad
is in
ako. Oh, hawakan mo.
Duclosan, Patar, Bulinaw. I just enjoying the scenery of the beach. Yay! Jump, jump, jump! Oh, here it comes. This is Ciao!
Ang lakas ng alon, no?
See, over there, some people is swimming. They enjoy the sea, the beach. That is the mother and daughter. Let's see, the daughter Mitchell. And that is the youngest one. She likes Dudu. And this is the photo frame. Like if you want to take a photo, it's very nice. See? Okay, they are waki-waki. Waki-waki. The beach boys, they are enjoying.
Nandito tayo, ayan o.
And,
Titingin tayo kung mabibentahan niya ako, kung makakabili ako o hindi. Pag hindi kami nagkasundo, hindi siya makakabenta.
It's a real
Kailangan
girl.
magsalubong kaming dalawa.
Ayan.